Guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. In case you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my new video anytime I drop them. Hello guys, I want to tell you there's these tricks that I post for some few years ago on this channel. You can go to beginning of the videos I post on this channel. Those tricks are working perfectly. Just go to the videos on this channel, then scroll down, starting from the beginning of the videos I post on this channel. You will see the tricks I post there. Just look for the ones I talk about over 1.5. Those tricks are working perfectly. Look for the ones I said go. Look for the ones I said straight winning. Use it to play over goals, over 2.5. It's working perfectly. Use it in the morning, use it in the evening. In the evening around, use it around 4, 5, 6. Those trees are working perfectly. Over 1 is working perfectly, over 2 is working perfectly. If you see the one I talk about straight winning, if you see the one I talk about go, if you see the one I talk about over goals, play it over 1.5 or over 2.5. It's working perfectly. Or play it draw or over 2.5. It's working perfectly. So I want to drop these trees again for you guys. This trees now is all about draw or go. How you can use draw or go strategy to play over 2.5. This is how the trees be. Anytime you come here, you see odds like this 2.00 and see 2.01 for away or go. What you do is screenshot it. Once you see something like this, screenshot it. Then just watch for the result. After playing, like do it in the morning, screenshot it. After playing, write down the result. Then do it again in the afternoon. After playing, write down the result. Do it again in the evening. In the evening, starting from 6, do it again and just screenshot it. And after playing, write down the results. When you do something like this for that day, you will see the difference. You will see how they used to score goals using these particular tricks every day. You know what happens in the morning, what happens in the afternoon and evening. Let me tell you the times you'll be doing it. In the morning, do it around 6 to like 6 in the morning. Then in the afternoon, do it around 3. In the evening, do it around 6 again. This is what I said here. Once you come to draw or go, they call this option chance miss. Once you come to this option, you see draw or go. You see this option, either home and away, win or go. So once you come here, you see odds like this, just screenshot it. Wait for their result in the morning, wait for their result in the afternoon and evening. Then anytime you see this in the morning, you will know what they are going to play. In the afternoon, you know what they are going to play. So this is how I get some of strategy I use. So do it like this, and you will see that you'll be getting over goals perfectly. Over goals perfectly. You know, over goals is the most simplest option on Zoom. Over goals, if you are studying that tricks very well. So this is how I use this particular tricks. Then let me show you another one, but with another leak. This one I've already started. Let me use England. Another one again is England. This England is something like this. Let's go to both team to score. You see both team to score. If you see odds like this, think the odd is not here. Okay, this particular odd, anything double like this, like 1.88 or 1.99 or 1.66, anytime you see them, screenshot it the way I said on the other trees. Do it in the morning, do it in the afternoon, do it in the evening. Then, so that you will know that particular time when you see it, you know what they're going to play. Yeah, this is how this trees works. Let me go to, there's something I want to tell you guys. You see these clicks. For example, you see this Serie A. This Serie A is not too good for both team to score. It's not too good for go. This Serie A. So if you are targeting go, you must be careful on this Serie A. Not all the time do you get go here. England can give you go very well. Then La Liga can give you go very well. But this place, they don't give go the way you want. So we have to be careful on this league. And also we have to be careful on League One here. You have to be careful. This place you see PSG, Lyon, Monaco, and others. You have to be careful when you're playing them or when you're picking your option. You just avoid this place. These two leagues need you to study them very, 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 very well before you understand them, especially this one. But Serie A and this one is something you must avoid. For you to pick any option here, you must study them, especially this League One. This League One, if you see odd for England and they play well, that odd come here, it will not play well. That's how it works. It will not play well. Assuming you see odd on home that win for England, if you come here and see that particular odd for here, home, away will win, home will not win. So this place they play zigzag. That is how they do their own here. So Zoom need a full-time understanding. You have to understand. They have to watch them and study them very well. Zoom is a virtual game, so it's not a normal live game. So it's a virtual game. So it's something that is programmed. So you have to be careful when playing it. So any option you don't know how or how to play them or how to use it, that you need teaching about it, no problem, you can chat me on WhatsApp. But anything you want me to teach you on WhatsApp, you know that it's not free. But the ones I'm posting for you guys here is free. So you can watch them. Once you can study them very well, you make use of it. So, and also, anytime you want to play straight winning, make sure you check their statistics. Make sure you open their table, check their forms before you play any straight winning. For example, you open this Liverpool. As you open like this, you see that Liverpool on their last match, Liverpool was home and they played draw. Once you see something like this, you just screenshot it. See West Ham now have 28%. This 28% means something. It means something. So all this is what you study. You see this 28% for home. Why their last match was 1-1. It means something. So just study something like once it's something like this and you don't know about it, just screenshot it, then wait for the result. After check the result and you see the result, write it down. Next time when you see it, you know what to do next. So all this thing works perfectly on the way you study them. Alright, this is correct bet. In case you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my new videos. Alright guys, see you on the next video. In case you want any of this, you can chat me on WhatsApp. Stay our number 07036760527. Alright guys, thank you for watching.